Hola niños, hola Alin, Karim, Raúl, ¿cómo están? Aquí papá, estoy en Home Depot porque ya hice unas cosas en la casa de Rio Plantation que verán en video. Raspé pintura del techo así que se está escascarando. Voy a limpiar con cloro, ahora voy a poner otro producto que es más fuerte que el cloro porque es hongo. There is mold and moldy, hongo en el plafón, ¿verdad? Y quiero limpiar eso bien, hacer el trabajo bien. Pero hay que tomar decisiones en este negocio, hay que tomar decisiones costo efectivas, hay que tomar decisiones que sean de productos de calidad, de acuerdo del parámetro, ¿verdad? Para vivienda de calidad al inquilino. We have to provide quality housing. That's the main objective, and we want to buy the best products, but also sometimes looking out for our budget. I come for something that I will tell you this day. This is October 18th, October 19th, 2025. This product, $45, about $43. Okay. This product are more specifically just for that type of cleaning when you're dealing with some type of fungus, okay, on a surface. In this case, it's concrete surface. But I want you to understand something, children. As I walk out towards make the payment and my purchase, I'm not necessarily in the lookout, but I come across, look, those gallons back there. That's a much better deal. Let me see the price. Actually, that $34.97, it says 2.5 gallons. So what do you think between that one and this one for $45? That's incredible, right? You tell me what should we do? Look at this. It's for the size. And then price, right? That's another factor we take into account. The price. I think it's not too difficult to think which one is better, right? And that's what I will do. Get the biggest one in this case because the benefit difference is significant. It's much more, right? The return for my money with this one is much more efficient and beneficial, okay? So I'll let you think with that, and later on I continue showing you the project on the ceiling and how it's getting from very bad to great, okay? Love you boys. Talk to you later. Bueno, amigos, ya pueden ver, my friends, you can see, right? I scraped more. I have cleaned the floors through the entire house. Yo barrí toda la casa, todos los pisos, ¿verdad? And now, oh wait, a big spot here. Yesterday I put, like I mentioned earlier, Clorox, which I have removed from this 3.6 liters, about 1 gallon of the substance I didn't use yesterday. But it can be used for other things to clean through the house. Tonight, we're gonna add a mold and mildew killer. Very specifically for this type of fungus. In a few words, it's what it is. It's a fungus. Actually, this is a great deal today. You see this? 2.5 gallons. That's almost 10 liters, people. 9.5 liters, okay? $35. $35. Por $35, este gran pote de 2.5 galones. Nada mal, ¿verdad? But you can find any others on your favorite hardware. I'm gonna add half of this gallon, so half gallon, or about 1.7, 1.5 liters I'm gonna add here and just spray directly to all these areas through the house. Le voy a pegar el spray directamente a esa área, concentrated. And tomorrow, 16 about 16 hours to 12 hours later, I will scrape it again. Yep. All right. But that's gonna be the last step before my last scrape cleaning and paint preparation. Actually, primer will be next after this stage, all right? Hopefully you're learning, boys. We do things well or we don't do them. I want to make a clarification. One clarification, I thought I needed to leave this for like 24 hours like I did with the water, Clorox yesterday, 3 for 1, 3 of Clorox, 1 of water. But not with this product, after reading carefully the instructions and pretty much a 30 seconds call for a reason. So I applied it. Now I'm gonna start cleaning it from the first place that I started applying it, go in the same sequence and order because that probably, very likely is more than the 30 seconds required. So I'm gonna start here, these 2 spots here in the kitchen, you can see, right? So humidity accumulation over there. And what I'm using is simple, a very large, heavy duty, kind of like towel type rag, right? And just clean water that is on a bucket. Clean water and my muscles, my hands, okay? Pretty sure you don't want to miss that step. I may lead you, that's gonna wait until the next day. No, it needs to be clean pretty much within the first 30 minutes, I would say, even though it's called 30 seconds. All right, bye. Well, after doing this bedroom and a little bit up there in the kitchen, like I showed earlier, just by doing one bedroom, that water is super filthy. Of course, it's humid, so I will let it dry now for sure until tomorrow before I apply primer. But all the surface has been wiped down. I use this big bucket. Definitely you need a very large bucket of water to do this because you need a heavy duty towel to remove the 30 seconds and all that old paint that is falling apart. That's the main thing we're tackling here. We want the new paint to remain there permanent for years. I don't want that thing to happen again. Those flakes coming down. I keep you updated. Let's put clean water.